Hello everyone and welcome to AutoRevzz back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video I am going to show you guys this car, which is the Maruti Suzuki S-Presso. Now this happens to be the top of the line variant, which is the Vxi Plus variant, and trust me guys, this orange color on this car looks really very good and beautiful, I would say. And this is the front profile of the car. This is how it looks. Not really much to talk about as such at the front. And those are the headlamps on offer. Obviously those are halogen bulbs used right over here. And as you can see, there is no fog lamp on offer, so even if you opt for the top end variant, you won't really get fog lamps with the car. Let me quickly show you the engine which is on offer. So guys, as you can see, this is the 1 liter or 998cc petrol engine which is on offer, which develops around 68 bhp of power and 90 newton meters of torque. I'll definitely try to make a proper review of this particular car, but for now that's about it. This is how the car actually looks like from the front, and this is the side profile of the car. So as you can see, and trust me guys, this orange color looks really very good in person, I would say. It's a plain orange color. Your mirrors also do get color treatment, and this is the tire profile. So here, as you can see, the tire profile happens to be 165/70 R14. Those are 14 inches steel rims with wheel caps. So that is about it. And at the rear as well, the tire profile is actually same, which is 165/70 R14, and at least you get wheel caps. Now this is the rear profile of the car. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Here you have your S-Presso badge, and here in the center right position you have your Suzuki badge provided, and those are your LED tail lamps. So that is a good thing that at least they have used LEDs in the tail lamps. And this is the boot of the car. So here, as you can see, this is the 239 liters of boot space which you get on this car, and it is quite a deep and spacious boot, I would say. And obviously below this, here you have your spare wheel kept. So as you can see, the tire size is similar, which is 165/70 R14. Obviously it is a steel rim. The boot space on this car is quite good, I would say. It is decent in size. You can definitely load in a couple of your bags, and the car actually looks quite nice in this particular color. The ground clearance is also really very good on this particular car. So guys, now let me quickly show the keys of the car. So on this key, as you can see, there are two buttons on offer. One is for your lock, another one is for your unlock, and the other key is a normal key. So those are the keys which you get with this particular car. And in this particular variant, as you can see, you also do get body colored door handles. So guys, now let me quickly move inside the car and let me show you what all features are on offer. So guys, right now I am inside the car, and as you can see, this is exactly how the dashboard of the Vxi Plus variant looks like. On the dashboard you have this circular theme on offer which looks pretty good, and the orange treatment also looks very nice. On the steering wheel, those are the buttons provided. You have your button for your mode as well as for your mute. From here you can obviously accept and reject calls as well. So those are the steering mounted audio controls which are on offer in the Vxi Plus variant. And this is the instrument cluster on offer. In this instrument cluster, as you can see, you get your speedometer, which is digital unit, and by pressing over here you can toggle through a few things. So it will show you trip A, trip B, average fuel consumption, distance to empty, the range, and yeah, that's about it. So those are the things which can be seen right over here. Trip meters are on offer. There are emergency lights provided as well. And this is your 7 inches touchscreen music system which is on offer, and trust me, the touch response from the music system is really very good, I would say, and also the sound quality is really very good. So now let me quickly play it for you guys. So let's quickly listen to it. So guys, this is the sound quality which you get from the music system. Those are your buttons for your power windows as well as for your hazard lamp, and those are the controls for your AC. Automatic climate control is not there. Here again you have your USB as well as aux connectivity, 12-volt charging point. There is some space to keep your stuff, 2 cup holders provided, and this is the 5-speed manual gearbox on offer. And also below the handbrake you have space to keep stuff. So in terms of practicality, it is a good car, I would say. And here again, as you can see, the glove box is also quite good in terms of size. So in terms of practicality, they have paid attention. Here again you have some space provided to keep your stuff, and this orange color on the air vents looks pretty good, I would say. And in terms of safety features, in this particular variant you have 2 airbags on offer, driver as well as co-driver, and obviously you also do get ABS as well as EBD on offer. So those are the safety features which you get in this particular variant. Now here, as you can see, again you have some space to keep stuff. That switch is actually to adjust your headlight leveling, that is for your headlight leveling. And from here you can open your boot space as well as your fuel lid. Now let me quickly show the door pads. In the door pads here, as you can see, there is a bottle holder provided. There is again some space to keep your stuff, and that's about it. On the door pads you don't really get power window switches, and this is how the dashboard looks like. Here on the sun visor there is no vanity mirror on offer. The same thing goes here as well. So that's about it. So guys, now let me quickly show the space which you get inside the second row. So let's quickly move behind. So guys, right now I'm in the second row of the Maruti Suzuki S-Presso, and as you can see, in terms of legroom, it is a pretty good car to be in because you can stretch your feet below the driver as well as co-driver seat. And also in terms of knee room, I would say it is good. In terms of shoulder room, you can easily get 2 adults at the rear. And here there is a small hump, but it won't really intrude a lot because it's not a very big one, and there is again some space to keep your stuff. So in terms of practicality, they have definitely paid attention. At the rear you don't really get power window switches. Here you have an handle to hold on to, and here as well you have an handle. In the door pads now, as you can see, there is nothing on offer in the door pads, and here obviously you don't get power window switches. You have to manually put it up and down. In terms of under thigh support, it could have been a little bit more better. Headroom is really very good, I would say. So guys, this was a quick video of the Maruti Suzuki S-Presso. I hope you guys liked it. Still, if you have any doubts or queries regarding the same or the other, you can definitely ask it to me on my Instagram handle as well as in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer most of your doubts. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe, ride safe. Bye bye.